Yo, hello guys, and welcome back again to a brand new video. In today's tutorial, I will show you how to set up your Microsoft Office account. So, first of all guys, in order to make it, I want you to go and open any kind of devices and open your browser. Now we go to the URL and we search for Microsoft Office. Here guys, I will click on the first website and then I will go to the top and click on, let me just remove this language or change the language real quick. It's gonna be somewhere, I think, in the bottom, or if not, I will just have to disconnect. So let me just disconnect. And here, guys, I supposedly I will find the language somewhere in here. So let me just click on connect, and let me just change the language real quick. So Microsoft Office and okay, .com, here it is. So here I will just log out again, and basically I will translate this page to English in order for you guys to be able to learn everything with me. So let me just remove this URL and open this page. All right, that's good. So now I will click here to use another account. So here I will create one, and basically now I will just put here an email. So lolly test tutorial dot tutorial. Here I will click on next, enter the email address, the format someone like at, for example, somewhere like hotmail.com or something like that. Okay, outlook.com looks good. Here I put my password, so here it is. And just like so, I have created my Microsoft Office 365 account. So just the last step, which is this captcha. So pick the image of striped cube and the shape sphere. So I would think it's striped cube and checkered sphere. So striped cube, it's gonna be like so. Let me just find this captcha so I can better comprehend it. Alright, these captures like becoming so much harder, guys. I don't know why, but strip cube, so I think somewhere like that. I hope so. Alright, strip cube, so strip cube is gonna be somewhere like so, and sphere. What is a sphere first? I need to understand what is a sphere. So sphere it is a circle, so I think this one. And then we'll need to find another one, which is gonna be this one. Here we go. So, all right, I've made a mistake, but yeah, guys, you got the idea. You just have to just solve this captcha, which became so much harder. So, thank you guys for watching, and see you in the next tutorial.